Hello and welcome back to Speaking of Cricket. I'm your host today. India once again won a test match series in Indian conditions and at home they are now unbeaten in 14 consecutive series. But the win against New Zealand in the second test was a huge one as it was India's biggest win margin in terms of runs, that is 372 runs. So, with this win, India collected another important 12 points in the ongoing World Test Championship cycle, which will end in 2023. India are currently in the third position in the table, and India will next go to South Africa to play a test series. So, after the huge win against New Zealand, former cricketers, the current cricketers, and everybody reacted on Twitter congratulating India. Let's look at some of these reactions from Twitter and who said what. Akshar Patel, who is one of India's three spinners in the second test and picked up crucial wickets, tweeted, "An absolute joy to win another series after the effort put in by the whole squad and support staff. Few days off before the next challenge." Surya Kumar Yadav tweeted, "Champions, what an all-round team effort. Big congratulations to Shreyas Iyer on a massive debut 100. Mayank Agarwal, Ashwin Bhai, you were unstoppable. Huge congratulations to Ajaz Patel." The one more thing we have to remember is Ajaz Patel's 10 wicket in an innings which he took in the India's first innings of the second match at Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. He is only the third cricketer in the history of Test match cricket to achieve this feat after Jim Laker, Anil Kumble. Anil Kumble achieved this feat against Pakistan in Delhi in 1999. Irfan Pathan tweeted, "As I have said earlier and saying it again, Virat Kohli is the best test captain India have ever had. He is at the top with a win percentage of 59.09% and the second spot is at 45%. Umesh Yadav tweeted, "A special series win. Well done to the whole team." Indian spinner Kuldeep Yadav tweeted, "Top series win and what a fantastic performance from the boys. Absolutely brilliant." Ishan Sharma tweeted, "Winning is a great feeling and celebrating it with the team makes it even better." Rishabh Pant tweeted, "A solid performance at the Wankhede. Proud of the boys as they win the game and the series with the biggest our ever victory in Test cricket by runs." Shreyas Iyer tweeted, "Test series win with Team India. Couldn't have asked for a better birthday. Thank you everyone for your wishes. Want to remember." Dinesh Karthik tweeted, "Emphatic win for India. Records broken once again. Highest victory in terms of runs and 14th consecutive Test series victory at home. Looking forward to the tour of South Africa." Cheteshwar Pujara tweeted, "Great all-round performance by the team to register another comprehensive series win. On to the next challenge. Congratulations to Ajaz Patel as well for an historic achievement." Mayank Agrawal tweeted, "All the sweat, the pain, the effort culminates into this sweet, sweet victory. What a team effort. Always proud to don the whites for India. Now, time to celebrate." Shikhar Dhawan tweeted, "Congratulations and well-deserved boys." Abhinav Mukund tweeted, "The Dravid Kohli era has begun with a series win thanks to a comprehensive victory in the Mumbai Test. Exciting times ahead for Indian cricket. Mayank Agarwal and the spinners were brilliant and congrats Ashwin on yet another Player of the Series award." Manoj Tiwari tweeted, "Massive win. The magnificent 372 run victory over New Zealand is India's biggest win by runs in Tests. Great all-round show by Team India. The spinners were brilliant. Mohammad Siraj was superb, but have a big round of applause for Mayank Agrawal. You were special." Irfan Pathan tweeted, "Dominating victories are sweeter. Well done Team India." Virender Sehwag tweeted, "Well done Team India, another comprehensive win at home. Many positives in the test match, but the best was to see Mayank Agrawal back at his best." Former Indian cricketer Mohammad Azharuddin tweeted, "Congratulations to the Indian team. This test will be remembered for Ajaz Patel's 10-wicket haul. Last time Anil Kumble achieved this feat in '99." Former Indian fast bowler Venkatesh Prasad tweeted, "Fantastic win for India. New Zealand played fabulously to save the first test match, but India were just too good in Mumbai. Feel happy for Jayant Yadav, who has waited for long for a comeback, and Mayank Agrawal showed his class where most other batsmen struggled." One more former Indian fast bowler, R.P. Singh tweeted, "Beating number one test side in almost 3 days by the biggest margin in home conditions is great. Congratulations to Team India for beating the World Test Championship champions in the India-New Zealand Test Series." So these are some of the tweets by the current Indian players and also former Indian cricketers after the win against New Zealand and this series win. Virat Kohli became the first captain in international cricket to win at least 50 matches in every format of the game. And also, with this win, India went up to the number one spot in ICC Test team rankings, replacing New Zealand. The next Test series for India will be the South Africa tour, which will start from 26 December, which was postponed due to the new variant found in South Africa. India will play three-match Test series and three ODI series, and previously scheduled four T20 international series will be played at another time. So that is all for today's episode. I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe, wear mask, and vaccinate yourself whenever possible.